AutoGrid allows you to automatically create a user grid, and it does it seamlessly while you're in the process of creating objects. I'll demonstrate. Let's say we want to create another object, but we want to put it on the surface of this existing object. That's easy to do with AutoGrid. I'll click the cone tool, and before I drag that out, I'll check AutoGrid right here in the object type rollout. There's a tripod attached to the cursor. Watch what happens when I move the cursor over different surfaces. It automatically reorients itself depending on the angle of the surface. The z-axis of the tripod is parallel to the surface normal, pointing away from the surface. The xy plane of the tripod is flush with the surface. The xy plane is the creation plane, so this makes it easy to create an object that's flush with the surface that you're hovering over. Observe also that as I'm creating the object, there's a temporary grid that appears. It's deleted when the object is created. AutoGrid is a mode that stays on until you turn it off. If you want the grid to remain, hold down the Alt key as you use AutoGrid, and the grid will become a helper object. I'll select it, right-click, and activate the home grid so that you can see this helper object more clearly. Shapes also have AutoGrid. I can create a circle using AutoGrid right here very easily. AutoGrid is also available on the Extras toolbar, and it's a mode that can be toggled on and off. So if I turn it off there and try to create another circle, it won't be in AutoGrid mode. I can only create that on the active grid.